Hey guys, Natasha here again, and today I'm continuing with my mini masterclass. And this time I'm going to show you a full glam on hooded eyes. In this specific tutorial, I'm sharing my tricks on how to make light eyeshadow show on hooded eyes by creating a fake crease. So first we have to create a structure using an eye pencil or a creamy eyeliner. First start from the outer third of your lower lash line and work it upwards, passing the fold. This is the most important thing. While passing the fold, you have to look straight forward to the mirror. Before continuing, use the tip of the nose to check the angle of the wing. Next, I want to smudge the pencil by using a dark eyeshadow. In this case, I'm using Aspiration from the My Dream palette. Then you have to start creating the fake crease. While looking straight, start creating the fake crease by drawing a line from the outer edge alongside the natural crease. Just make sure that the line you're drawing is above the fold. And to soften everything even more, I'm picking up Familia, which is a dark medium eyeshadow, blending the outer corner inwards. I'm using a smaller brush for more precision in the crease. Next, I'm going to use one of my all-time favorite eyeshadows, Nurture. This is a medium to transition shade that will soften the upper border of the crease even more. If your fake crease got blurred from all the blending, then use an eyeshadow base or a concealer with a flat brush to enhance the fake crease. This step is so important because this is going to be our base to show the light eyeshadows. This base is going to be covered with a light eyeshadow afterwards, but in the meantime I'm continuing with the frame. So I'm picking Familia again to smudge the lower lash line, pressing Serenity on the center of the lower lash line for a pop of metallic taupe. The inner third I'm highlighting with Babies. The best eyeshadow to highlight the inner corner is Spontaneous. We got to the final eyeshadow. All the steps we did until now was only just for this, to show a glam eyeshadow on hooded eyes. Continue by pressing the same shade across the eyelid. Next, we have to enhance the lash line. What is glam without eyeliner on hooded eyes? Drawing the thinnest line possible and making sure I'm not going to fill in the whole lid, keeping a space between the eyeliner and the fold. And finally, to pop the eyes and to make them look more open, I'm applying the Work and Set Plus in shade Nude on the waterline. Curling your lashes is a must, and if you can, add a couple of individual lashes. And that's it. I hope these tips will help you to create your next glam look.